Gardening is often described as a conversation with nature. It's a process of nurturing life and observing subtle changes. To truly understand this, we delve into botany, the science of plants. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, understanding plant life transforms your gardening. It helps you appreciate your garden and cultivate a thriving ecosystem. Imagine knowing how plants function and interact with their environment. You're not just tending plants, you're part of an intricate dance of life. Botany unlocks the secrets of this hidden world. Discover the basic building blocks of plants and their life cycles. Uncover the interconnectedness of all living things in the garden. Let's explore garden botany and discover the wonders in the green realm. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Botany, in its simplest form, is the scientific study of plants. It delves into their structure, function, growth, evolution, and classification. For gardeners, botany is more than just an academic subject. It's a practical tool that can significantly enhance our gardening practices. Think of botany as the instruction manual you never knew you needed for your garden. It teaches you about the specific needs of different plant species, how they absorb nutrients, the importance of sunlight and water, and how they interact with other organisms in their environment. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about plant selection, placement, watering, and pest control, ultimately leading to a healthier and more productive garden. Understanding botany can also help you diagnose and address problems in your garden more effectively. By recognizing the signs of nutrient deficiencies, diseases, or pest infestations, you can take timely action to protect your plants and ensure their well-being. Moreover, botany fosters a deeper appreciation for the diversity and complexity of the plant kingdom, encouraging you to experiment with new species and create a more biodiverse and resilient garden. In essence, botany is the secret ingredient to successful gardening. It equips you with the knowledge and understanding to create a thriving oasis for your plants, fostering a deeper connection between you and the natural world. Botany encompasses a wide range of disciplines, each focusing on a different aspect of plant life. Let's explore 4 key areas that are particularly relevant to gardeners. Plant morphology. This branch deals with the form and structure of plants. It helps us understand the different parts of a plant: roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds, and how their design relates to their function. For instance, knowing that cacti have spines instead of leaves to reduce water loss in arid environments can guide your watering practices for these plants. Plant physiology. This area explores the inner workings of plants, focusing on processes like photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration, and nutrient uptake. Understanding these processes is crucial for providing optimal growing conditions. For example, knowing that plants need sufficient light for photosynthesis can help you choose the right location for your vegetable garden. Plant taxonomy. This branch deals with the classification and naming of plants. It helps us understand the relationships between different plant species, their evolutionary history, and their specific needs. For instance, knowing that tomatoes and potatoes belong to the same family, Solanaceae, can alert you to potential pest or disease issues that might affect both plants. Plant ecology. This area studies the interactions between plants and their environment, including other plants, animals, soil, and climate. Understanding these relationships is crucial for creating a balanced and sustainable garden ecosystem. For example, knowing that certain plants attract beneficial insects can help you naturally control pests in your garden. To truly appreciate the complexity of plants, we need to understand the individual parts that work together to sustain life. Let's take a closer look at the basic anatomy of a plant, roots. Often hidden beneath the soil, roots are the anchors of the plant, absorbing water and nutrients from the ground. They also play a crucial role in storing food reserves and supporting the plant's upright structure. Stems. Stems act as the backbone of the plant, providing support for leaves, flowers, and fruits. They also serve as conduits for transporting water and nutrients between the roots and the upper parts of the plant. Leaves. Leaves are the food factories of the plant, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy through photosynthesis. They also play a role in gas exchange, taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Flowers. Flowers are the reproductive organs of many plants. Their vibrant colors and sweet scents attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, which help fertilize the flowers and produce seeds. Fruits. Fruits develop from the fertilized ovaries of flowers and contain seeds. They serve as a protective covering for the developing seeds and often aid in seed dispersal. Seeds. Seeds are the next generation of plants, containing all the genetic information needed to grow a new individual. They are dispersed by various means, such as wind, water, or animals, ensuring the survival and spread of the plant species. At the heart of plant life lies a remarkable process called photosynthesis. This is the process by which plants convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of sugars, which they use for growth, reproduction, and other functions. Imagine plants as natural solar panels, capturing sunlight through their leaves. Inside the leaves, tiny structures called chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs light energy. This energy is then used to power a series of chemical reactions that combine water, absorbed by the roots, and carbon dioxide, taken in from the air, to produce glucose or sugar and oxygen. Photosynthesis is not only essential for plant growth, but also for life on Earth as a whole. It's the primary source of oxygen in our atmosphere, which is vital for the survival of animals, including humans. Moreover, the sugars produced during photosynthesis form the basis of the food chain, providing energy for herbivores, which in turn provide energy for carnivores. Understanding photosynthesis is crucial for gardeners, as it highlights the importance of providing plants with adequate sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. By optimizing these factors, you can enhance plant growth, increase yields, and create a healthier garden environment. Plants go through a life cycle of growth, development, and reproduction. Understanding this cycle is crucial for successful gardening. Germination. The journey begins with a seed containing an embryo and food supply. With moisture, warmth, and oxygen, the seed germinates, sending out its first root and shoot. Vegetative growth. The plant develops roots, stems, and leaves. It needs sunlight, water, and nutrients. Flowering. The plant produces flowers, leading to fruits and seeds. Flower development is influenced by day length, temperature, and water. Senescence. After flowering, the plant enters a period of decline. This natural aging process varies by species. Annuals complete their cycle in a year, biennials in 2, and perennials live many years. Understanding the life cycle helps gardeners meet plant needs. For example, more nitrogen is needed during vegetative growth and more phosphorus during flowering. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on garden and plant botany.